Stop throwing away your zucchinis. Wonderful, wonderful recipe. Zucchini bread or zucchini muffins. Hello everyone, it's Oksana and welcome to my vintage kitchen. It's a zucchini season. Tell the truth, guys. How many times you bought zucchinis just to put them in the garbage in a week or two? Tell the truth, I know we all do it. Don't do it anymore. It's not cool. I'm gonna show you a wonderful recipe today. Okay, it's a very easy recipe, guys. One zucchini, wash it, dry it a bit, cut the ends with a regular grinder. Don't need to peel it. Okay, zucchini is done. We'll put our parmesan cheese, adding 2 eggs. We mix it all together. One teaspoon of baking powder. Mix it well together. Since it's not a sweet muffins, we add some salt. You can add some pepper if you want. Okay, now what we do, we add our flour to zucchini. We mix it. Now it's the time to add milk. Okay, add milk. Mix it again. Now you add your olive oil. Mix it again. That's it. That's literally it. You mix a couple ingredients. Now, if you wanna spice it up a little bit, you can add some sun-dried tomatoes, you can add spices, you can add whatever you love. I wanna leave it as it is. Beautiful. So now we're gonna prepare a baking pan. I found my brush, so we're preparing baking pan now. You can spray it with spray oil, but really the brush and a little bit of olive oil work the same way. Those sprays oil, they're expensive. So you just brush your muffins with olive oil. Our muffins are all nicely oiled. Now we start filling them. Take a big spoon, fill 2/3 of the form. Even if you're using bread baking pan, still fill it 2/3 of the pan because the array is very nice. Okay guys, it's ready, it smells amazing. Let's try it. It's so easy to make, even people without baking skills can do it. So subscribe to my channel if you like my videos, press this like, press this bell, and see you next time.